Ngayon ay December 31, 8 p.m. ng gabi. Kakain muna tayo. Ayan, meron silang buffet. May barbecue, may chicken barbecue, may crab, may fish, may lobster, may vegetable kung hindi ka mahilig sa seafoods. So, yan ang itsura ng restaurant. Papunta na kami sa kabilang side para manood ng fireworks later. Hinatid kami ni Adam sa place kung saan gaganapin. So, ayan yung place. May bonfire, may music. If you want to sing, you can sing. Then, nandyan lahat din ng staff, nagpa-party, nakihalubilo na rin sa amin. Yan. So, madaming ganap habang nag-aantay ng 12 midnight. Ayan. Party-party, sayaw-sayaw, drinks, may welcoming drinks din sila. So, yan. So, if you want to chill only, you can sit in front of the bonfire. Some people, they sightseeing there. Then, syempre, ayan ako. Dance.